Ever looked in the mirror and wished your hair was stronger, healthier, and more vibrant? You're not alone. Many of us deal with common hair problems like hair fall, dryness, brittleness, and dullness. It's a struggle that can be frustrating and even impact our self-esteem. But here's the thing. Your natural hair is a reflection of your overall well-being. Taking care of it should be a priority, not an afterthought. The good news is, you can strengthen your natural hair, and we're here to show you how. Before you can fix a problem, you need to understand it. So let's delve into the fascinating world of hair health. Hair, it's more than just a style statement. It's a complex structure made up of a protein called keratin. This protein is produced in hair follicles in the outer layer of skin. As follicles produce new hair cells, old cells are pushed out through the surface of the skin, and voila, you've got a strand of hair. Now you might wonder why your hair sometimes weakens or breaks. Well, it's a combination of factors. Let's start with diet. Just like the rest of your body, your hair needs a balanced diet to stay healthy. A lack of essential nutrients like proteins, vitamins, and minerals can lead to hair loss or weakened strands. Next, let's talk about lifestyle. Stress, lack of sleep, and even excessive sun exposure can negatively impact your hair health. It's all about balance, folks. And lastly, your hair care routine. Overstyling, excessive heat, harsh chemicals, all these can damage your hair's structure, leading to breakage and thinning. Now, this might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. By understanding these factors, you have the power to make changes and improve your hair health. Knowing the why of hair problems helps you tackle them better. So, armed with this knowledge, let's move forward and explore how you can strengthen your natural hair. The journey to stronger hair starts from within. And this journey, my friends, is paved with the bricks of a balanced diet. Just like every other part of our bodies, our hair needs a variety of nutrients to grow and stay healthy. So let's dive into the world of hair-friendly nutrients and the foods that are rich in them. First up, we have proteins. Our hair is primarily made up of a protein called keratin. So it's no surprise that proteins are vital for hair strength. Foods rich in proteins include poultry, fish, dairy products, and legumes. These foods provide your hair with the building blocks it needs to grow strong and healthy. Next, we have vitamins. Vitamins A, B, C, D, and E are all essential for hair health. Vitamin A helps your scalp produce sebum, which keeps your hair hydrated. B vitamins, like biotin, are known for their hair growth promoting properties. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, a protein that prevents hair from becoming brittle. Vitamin D may help in the creation of new hair follicles, the tiny pores where new hair can grow. And lastly, Vitamin E helps protect your hair and scalp from sun damage. Foods like leafy greens, fruits, eggs, and nuts are all excellent sources of these vitamins. And let's not forget about minerals. Iron, zinc, and selenium are all crucial for hair health. Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen to your hair follicles. Zinc plays a role in hair tissue growth and repair. And selenium helps your body create hair-friendly proteins. Foods like red meat, shellfish, and seeds are rich in these minerals. Now you might be thinking, that's a lot of nutrients to keep track of. But remember, the key is balance. You don't need to eat all these foods in one sitting. Just incorporate them into your diet over time. And before you know it, you'll be on your way to stronger, healthier hair. Remember, what you eat is as important for your hair as it is for your body. So give your hair the nutrients it craves, and it'll thank you with strength and shine. Your hair needs a routine, just like you do. Let's kick off our natural hair care routine with washing. You don't want to overdo it. Washing your hair 2 to 3 times a week is usually sufficient. This allows your hair to maintain its natural oils, which are crucial for its health. When washing, focus on the scalp and let the shampoo flow down the strands as you rinse. Remember, it's important to use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo that won't strip your hair of its natural oils. Next up is conditioning. This step is non-negotiable. Conditioner replenishes the moisture in your hair that shampoo might have stripped away. Apply it from mid-length to the ends, avoiding the roots to prevent weigh down. For an extra boost, consider a deep conditioning treatment once a week. This will help to nourish your hair and keep it looking vibrant and healthy. Now let's talk about protective styling. This is a method of styling your hair that minimizes damage by reducing manipulation and protecting it from environmental factors. Braids, twists, and updos are all great examples of protective styles. The goal is to keep the ends of your hair tucked away since they're the oldest and most fragile part of your hair. Lastly, don't forget about trims. It may seem counterintuitive if you're trying to grow your hair, but regular trims can actually help maintain your hair's health and prevent breakage. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your ends fresh and free of split ends. Throughout all these steps, the importance of using gentle, natural products cannot be overstressed. Your hair is unique and deserves to be treated with care. Look for products free of harsh chemicals and packed with natural ingredients that will nourish and strengthen your strands. And remember, a hair care routine isn't a one-and-done deal. It requires consistency. Just as you wouldn't expect to see results from a single workout at the gym, you can't expect to see improvements in your hair health with sporadic care. Consistency is key when it comes to hair care. Sometimes, your hair needs a little extra love. And what better way to show it some TLC than with do-it-yourself treatments? You don't need to break the bank or seek out exotic ingredients. In fact, the best treatments can often be found right in your kitchen. Let's start with a protein mask. Protein is the building block of hair, and a protein-rich mask can help fortify those locks. Mix 1 whole egg, a tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply this mask to your hair and leave it on for about half an hour before rinsing. This powerhouse combo can add strength and shine to your tresses. Next up, we have a hydrating mask. This is perfect for those dry, brittle strands that are crying out for moisture. For this, you would need half an avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Blend these ingredients until smooth and apply to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave on for about 30 minutes, then rinse. This mask is packed with healthy fats and moisturizing properties that will leave your hair feeling soft and nourished. Finally, we have a scalp-stimulating treatment. A healthy scalp is the foundation of strong hair. This treatment requires 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Massage this mixture into your scalp for about 5 minutes and leave it on for an hour before washing. The castor oil helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth, while the rosemary oil has been known to prevent hair loss. Remember, everyone's hair is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's about finding what your hair responds to best. And don't forget, consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but with regular use, these DIY treatments can give your hair the boost it needs. Strengthening your natural hair is not as daunting as it seems. We've journeyed through the essential steps together, and now it's time for us to revisit what we've learned, bringing it all together in a neat little package. First, we dug into the nitty-gritty of understanding hair health. We learned that hair health isn't just about how your hair looks on the outside, but also about the health of your hair follicles and scalp. We discovered that the building block of hair is a protein called keratin, and a healthy scalp is the foundation for strong, vibrant hair. Next, we delved into the power of a balanced diet for hair strength. We uncovered that the nutrients you consume, like proteins, vitamins, and minerals, have a direct impact on your hair health. Foods rich in biotin, vitamin E, iron, and zinc are your hair's best friends. So never underestimate the power of a good meal for your hair's health. Then, we moved on to the importance of a consistent hair care routine. We emphasized that consistency is key. Regularly washing and conditioning your hair with products suited to your hair type and texture, protecting your hair from heat and harmful environmental factors, and giving your hair and scalp the TLC they need with regular massages, all contribute to strengthening your natural hair. Lastly, we explored some fantastic DIY hair strengthening treatments. From egg and yogurt masks to avocado and coconut oil treatments, we found out that some of the best hair strengthening remedies can be found right in your kitchen. And there you have it. Understanding your hair health, maintaining a balanced diet, following a consistent hair care routine, and trying out some DIY hair strengthening treatments are the 4 pillars of strengthening your natural hair. With these steps, you're on your way to stronger, healthier hair. Remember, your hair is part of you. Take good care of it.